like some like special subway? Everyone's taking a video.
Yeah, it's a fan trip.
Really? Why is it special?
They're running weekend service on the M train tomorrow.
Oh, and that like never happens?
It hasn't happened since 1958.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, let me hop on this video train. I'm just kidding. I don't like that. 1958. And I'm on a weekend?
After 1958, the M train used to started doing shuttle service. Well, within years, I should say, but it's not exactly the first.
Well, I mean, like,
yeah.
Today is the first one?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. That's kind of cool.
But tomorrow will be the actual weekend service.
But it's Saturday, isn't it?
Yes, but they're going to start the actual weekend service tomorrow.
But we get like a pre-show today.
They're just running the vintage train only for today.
But we get to take it?
Huh?
We get to actually get on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Huh?
Is it always going to be running on the weekend?
That's just the vintage train only for today.
Oh, that's good because I want to take the M anyway.
But they're going to begin actual service on the M train to Essex Street tomorrow. But it's going to come on that track.
Okay.
But don't worry, they're not running that train. They're going to be running the newer ones.
I need to get the Knickerbocker.
That's where I'm going to. Yeah.
This is the perfect train to catch.
Yeah, I'm only taking that L like up there. But last night was crazy and I ended up sleeping.
That's a nice touch.
Thank you.